Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today we have our Kia Optima here, and we're going to go over how you replace the lights in the light and the headlight assembly, right? So we have enough space in here that we can get everything without removing anything, which is fortunate. So to replace the turn light and clearance, right, the blinker, you're going to look for a little tab down here, and you're just going to twist it. A little easier said than done. So twist it to the left, counterclockwise, to get it to undo, and then you're going to just pull it straight out. So you're looking for a whole huge tab like this, and you're able to reach in there and twist it and remove. And then to replace the light, and this has got double element because it said one's constantly on when you have the headlights on, and then one blinks when you blink it. So to replace it, you're just going to push it down and pull it out. And this is a light bulb number 2357 in an amber color. So, and then when you go to put a new one in, you're going to note that this pin on the bottom here, see there's a pin on the bottom, is lower on this side than this side. So you'll look in your housing to know which way to put that. And you can see when you look down in this housing, you can see that this is the shorter side. So you're just going to put it in so that this is the shorter, the taller one. And then you're just going to push it down and twist it and lock it back in place. And then you're going to do the same thing to put it back in the vehicle. Keep it at that, basically a 45 to the right, to push it up in there. So you press it and lock it into place. There's no electrical connectors on that light because it is on the side of those the electric connection is right here on these sides. And that's how it makes the contact for it. So when you put that in and twist it, that's how it makes the contact. So that's why there's no electrical connections on this. So that's how you go ahead and replace the turn signal / clearance light on your 2016 Kia Optima. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.